Top 5 programming languages you should learn in 2021. Before we enter in this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, like and comment down the feedbacks and what you are going to learn in 2021. Also comment down that and share to your friends on Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, blah blah, and Signal also. Before we enter into this video, this category list is based on only job and future scope of the programming language. I will put down the job offering number system and numbers 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5, and also the future scope of language and learning curve of the language. We are going to discuss about that. Okay, let's start. The number 5 place goes to Go programming language. Yes, it's a fast growing programming language. It's created by Google, and what are the uses? There are lots and lots of uses on Go programming language. If you want to create a web, if you want to create an app, you go to Go programming language. Lots and lots of Silicon Valley startups, Western side startups are growing only by Go programming language, and you can create distributed applications and lots of distributed application server side system, computer network programming, Harvard. If you want to become a Harvard geek, let's try Go. It's a fast growing programming language, but its learning curve is 5 out of 3.5. Just if you are intermediate, go to Go programming language. And the job offerings is also 5 out of 2.5 because it's a new language, so the job offering is 5 out of 2.5. Okay, so if you want to develop an app or software site, go to Go. The next one, number 4, goes to JavaScript, the one and only JavaScript. You can do all kind of development production side with only one programming language, that is JavaScript. If you want to develop website, go to JavaScript. React.js, Vue.js and Node.js for backend. If you want to develop an app, React Native and some kind of Ionic, etc. So if you want to go to server side, also if you want data analysis, there also JavaScript also using. So want job in development side, production side, like in product based company, learn JavaScript. It's a important one, and the learning curve is easiest one, 5 out of 5. You can easily learn JavaScript, but practice it's important. And the job offering also 5 out of 5. Yes, if you want to go to freelancing site, most of the freelance offerings are React.js, React Native, Ionic, and also web based programs. So job offerings also 5 out of 5, and learning curve is also easy as PC. So try to learn JavaScript from now on. Okay, what the number 3 position goes to C and C++. Both are transferring their position. So C is used for operating system, graphical user interface in desktop app. If you want to develop a desktop app I want to go in the hardware geek and computer networking kind of things. If you want to go in computer sides, hardware side, learn C. What C++? So let's get started. Want to develop a JavaScript, let's learn C++. C++ and C are both used in desktop app, operating system, game development, 3D softwares, virtual augmented reality, etc. The big technologies are running by only C and C++. Also you can data structure and algorithm, so data science also used in C++. So try to learn C++ from today onwards. Its learning curve is a bit too risky because it's 5 out of 3 and 3.5, and the job offerings is 5 out of 4.5. Job offerings is everywhere, but learning curve is too bit tough. So if you are intermediate, go to C++. If you know about inheritance and completion, classes, objects, object oriented programming concept, go to C++. Okay, next, what's next? The number 2 position is goes to one and only Java. It's under number 2 position for lots and lots of years. Yes, Java is used in everywhere: web application, app, mobile application, Android OS, and etc. Big data analysis, IoT application, cloud based application, etc. Java is used in everywhere. Java, instead of you think Java is so rough, so it's come long time, so 20 years, so but not. Java is still in emerald, still a gold for everyone. So try to learn Java. If you want to become a hardware geek and software geek, learn all things and you can become a data analyst. Everything, first you need to learn Java. Its learning curve is 3 out of 5. Yes, it's too intermediate, and the job offerings is also 5 out of 5 because Java and C++ are everywhere. Every service based company, product based company um, offers giving job offers to Java and C++. So try to learn Java from now on. There are lots and lots of good tutorials. Yes, okay, the number one, only one, the super one. Who is this? We can do data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web application, app application, also game development. Who is this? And you can learning curve is very easy. Yes, the number one is Python. The one and only Python is the number one programming language you should learn in 2021. You should thoroughly learn in 2021 is Python is used in everywhere. If you want to develop an app, Django framework, Flash framework, etc. If you want to become a data scientist, NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, etc. It also is in automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT application, cloud based application, and 3D software, 2D software, etc. Python is used everywhere in the place using Python. So try to learn Python. Our wait a minute, sorry. Our channel is also creating a Python tutorial for everyone, so don't forget to subscribe. We are going to upload a Python tutorial in future, so don't forget to subscribe and like and comment your thoughts on this video. If any queries, like your voice is not audible, sorry, if any queries, comment down. And one more thing, what are you going to learn in 2021, which programming language? Comment down also. And also, what will the next video I will post on, comment down your doubts. I will surely make the video. Okay, next, share it on every coder friends, because coding is love. Bye.